The following is or are beneficial in endometriosis, that is norethindrone, nefarelin, danazol. Select the drug which administered orally causes cervical ripening in pregnant women to facilitate surgical abortion or induction of labor, that is mifepristone. Mifepristone possesses the following activities, that is potent antiprogestin or weak anti-glucocorticoid. Which of the following drug is an antiprogestin, that is mifepristone. The most important indication of mifepristone is first term abortion. Administration of mifepristone in the late luteal phase induces menstruation. Which of the following can act as a single dose post-coital contraceptive, that is mifepristone. The following regimen is preferred for non-surgical termination of pregnancy in the first 7 weeks, that is oral mifepristone followed by oral misoprostol. The most popular form of hormonal contraception is combined estrogen plus progestin oral pill. The purpose or purposes served by the progestin component of the combined estrogen plus progestin contraceptive pills is or are suppression of ovulation, prompt bleeding at the end of the course, blockade of increased risk of endometrial carcinoma. The progestin used in combined oral contraceptive pill is a 19 nortestosterone derivatives because they have potent anti-ovulatory action of their own. In which of the following forms of oral contraception pills are taken continuously without interruption, that is mini pill. A progestin and an estrogen are combined in oral contraceptive pill because both synergize to suppress ovulation. The regimen used for postcoital emergency contraception is or are, that is levonorgestrel 0.5 mg plus ethinyl estradiol 0.1 mg taken twice 12 hours apart, or levonorgestrel 0.75 mg taken twice 12 hours apart, or mifepristone 600 mg single dose. The most common and important undesirable effect of injectable contraceptive depot medroxyprogesterone acetate is disruption of cyclic menstrual bleeding. The primary mechanism of action of the combined estrogen plus progestin oral contraceptive pill is suppression of FSH and LH release. Which of the following is advised when a woman on combined oral contraceptive pill misses a dose? Take 2 pills the next day and continue with the course. The currently used injectable hormonal contraceptive contains long-acting progestin. Which side effect of the oral contraceptive subsides after 3 to 4 cycles of continued use? That is headache. Oral contraceptive use increases the risk of occurrence of the following diseases except endometrial carcinoma. Concurrent use of the following drug is likely to cause failure of oral contraception, that is rifampicin. Health benefits afforded by the combined estrogen progestin oral contraceptive pill include the following except lower risk of myocardial infarction. On stoppage of the combined estrogen progestin contraceptive pill, fertility returns after 1 to 2 months. Centroman is an oral contraceptive for women. The following has been found to act as a male contraceptive without affecting libido or potency, that is gossypol. The following contraceptive acts primarily by interfering with implantation of blastocyst. Centroman. Select the tissue that is most sensitive to oxytocin, that is myoepithelium of mammary alveoli. Actions of oxytocin include the following except vasoconstriction. Indications of ergometrin include the following except uterine inertia during labor. Select the drug that has been used to suppress labor, that is ritodrine. The adrenergic tocolytic preferred for arresting labor is ritodrine. Use of ritodrine to arrest premature labor can cause the following complications except hypoglycemia. Which of the following tocolytics used for suppressing labor is most likely to compromise placental perfusion? That is nifedipine. The drug used for controlling tetany is IV calcium gluconate. Medicinal calcium salts are indicated for prevention of osteoporosis. Bone resorption is accelerated by parathormone. The primary action of parathormone is to increase reabsorption of calcium from bone. Parathormone receptors are expressed on the surface of osteoblast. The drug of choice for hypoparathyroidism is vitamin D. The most suitable vitamin D preparation for vitamin D dependent rickets is calcitriol. The vitamin that is regarded to be a hormone is vitamin D. The following is not a feature of hypervitaminosis D. Spontaneous fractures. The following drug can cause rickets in children by interfering with vitamin D action. Phenytoin. Bisphosphonates are beneficial in the following conditions except rickets. Bisphosphonates are indicated in the following condition, that is osteoporosis. The drug or drugs that can be used to treat osteoporosis is or are raloxifene and alendronate. Select the drug for which the following instructions must be given to the patient: to be taken on empty stomach in the morning with a full glass of water, to remain upright and not take any food or medicine for 30 minutes, that is alendronate.